Today, we're exploring 10 affordable travel destinations, each offering unique culture, adventure, and stunning sights without the hefty price tag. Perfect for budget-conscious travelers, our list will help you discover amazing spots without breaking the bank. Let's dive in. Vietnam is an ideal destination for budget travelers, offering an incredible blend of rich culture, stunning landscapes, and affordable experiences. From the vibrant streets of Hanoi to the historic charm of Ho Chi Minh City, visitors can immerse themselves in the local way of life without breaking the bank. Street food is not only delicious but also extremely affordable. For just a few dollars, you can sample iconic dishes like pho, banh mi, and fresh spring rolls, crafted with flavors that reflect Vietnam's culinary heritage. Accommodations cater to all budgets, ranging from affordable hostels to quaint guest houses, making it easy for travelers to find comfortable lodging. Beyond the cities, Vietnam's natural beauty is awe-inspiring. Cruise through the emerald waters of Ha Long Bay, hike the terraced hills of Sapa, or relax on the pristine beaches of Da Nang. Historical sites, such as ancient temples and French colonial architecture, further enrich the experience. With its captivating culture and breathtaking landscapes, Vietnam offers unforgettable adventures at a fraction of the cost of many other destinations. Mexico is a fantastic destination for budget travelers, offering a rich tapestry of diverse regions, from stunning beaches to majestic mountains. In places like Oaxaca, you can indulge in mouth-watering local cuisine at incredibly low prices, with street vendors serving up delicious tacos and tamales. Tulum, known for its beautiful coastline, also provides affordable lodging options, from hostels to charming boutique hotels. Activities abound, with many cultural experiences available on a budget, such as exploring ancient ruins, visiting vibrant markets, or participating in local festivals. You can immerse yourself in the colorful traditions and warm hospitality of the Mexican people without spending a fortune. Whether you're lounging on the beach or hiking through scenic landscapes, Mexico offers unforgettable experiences that cater to every traveler's budget, making it a must-visit destination. Portugal is a paradise for budget-conscious travelers, offering a rich blend of stunning coastlines, historic sites, and vibrant culture, all at a surprisingly affordable price. This beautiful country is well connected by inexpensive public transportation, including efficient trains and buses that make it easy to explore key cities like Lisbon, Porto, and beyond. In Lisbon, you can wander through cobbled streets, take in panoramic views from Miradouros, and immerse yourself in the city's rich history. Porto, with its charming Ribeira district, invites you to stroll along the Douro River and marvel at its colorful architecture. Dining in Portugal is equally budget-friendly. Savor a pastel de nata with a coffee or enjoy a hearty bacalhau dish at a local tavern, all at reasonable prices. Portugal also boasts a variety of free or low-cost attractions, including beautiful beaches along the Algarve coast, historic castles, and UNESCO-listed monasteries. With its warm locales and diverse landscapes, Portugal offers an unforgettable adventure that won't strain your wallet. Thailand is a paradise for budget travelers, offering breathtaking beaches and vibrant cities where you can stretch your dollars further. The affordability of street food is one of the highlights, with delicious dishes like pad thai and mango sticky rice available for just a couple of dollars at local markets. Popular destinations such as Chiang Mai and Bangkok are teeming with culinary delights and bustling street life, making it easy to enjoy authentic Thai cuisine without overspending. When it comes to accommodations, Thailand has a plethora of budget options, including hostels and guest houses that provide comfortable stays at wallet-friendly prices. Whether you're exploring the ancient temples of Chiang Mai or soaking up the sun on the islands, Thailand promises unforgettable experiences that cater to every budget, making it a top choice for travelers. Bulgaria is a top choice for budget-conscious travelers, offering a wealth of history, vibrant culture, and breathtaking landscapes, all at an affordable price. Known for its low cost of living, Bulgaria provides travelers with a budget-friendly experience without sacrificing quality. Affordable accommodations, cheap public transportation, and a wide variety of low-cost dining options make it easy to explore this beautiful country without overspending. The capital city, Sofia, is a treasure trove of history and culture, where visitors can admire landmarks like the Alexander Nevsky Cathedral and explore lively markets, parks, and museums. Plovdiv, one of Europe's oldest cities, charms with its Roman ruins, colorful streets, and cultural festivals. Nature lovers will find endless opportunities for adventure, from hiking trails in the stunning Rila Mountains to the sandy beaches along the Black Sea coast. With its perfect combination of affordability, culture, and natural beauty, Bulgaria stands out as an ideal destination for those seeking an unforgettable yet budget-friendly European experience. India is an enchanting destination that offers budget travelers a truly unforgettable experience without breaking the bank. Known for its affordability, India allows visitors to explore its rich diversity of landscapes, cultures, and traditions through accessible transportation options, including economical trains and buses. Accommodation options are plentiful, ranging from budget hostels to cozy guest houses, allowing travelers to find affordable and comfortable stays in must-visit locations like Jaipur, Delhi, and Varanasi. In Jaipur, also known as the Pink City, marvel at the intricate architecture of the Hawa Mahal or stroll through bustling bazaars filled with colorful handicrafts. Varanasi, on the other hand, offers a profound spiritual journey where travelers can witness sacred rituals along the Ganges River. From savoring flavorful street food to joining in lively festivals like Holi, India provides a vast array of low-cost experiences. Whether you're hiking in the Himalayas or exploring centuries-old temples, India is a top budget-friendly destination that promises endless adventure and cultural immersion. Romania is a hidden gem for budget travelers, offering a mix of enchanting castles, picturesque towns, and beautiful countryside, all at affordable prices. Known for its rich history and captivating landscapes, Romania provides numerous low-cost attractions and activities that make exploration both accessible and rewarding. Bucharest, the capital, is a dynamic city where visitors can explore historic landmarks like the monumental Palace of the Parliament and stroll through charming neighborhoods with elegant architecture. The medieval town of Brasov, nestled near the Carpathian Mountains, offers an ideal base for mountain excursions and a visit to the famous Bran Castle, often associated with the Dracula legend. Romanian cuisine is hearty and budget-friendly, with traditional dishes like mamaliga, which is cornmeal porridge, and sarmale, stuffed cabbage rolls, widely available in local taverns. Lodging ranges from budget hostels to family-run guest houses, providing a comfortable and economical stay. With its vibrant culture, historical sites, and affordable travel options, Romania promises unforgettable experiences for budget-conscious travelers. Indonesia is a paradise for budget travelers, offering stunning landscapes and rich culture at incredibly affordable prices. The cost of food is remarkably low, with delicious local dishes like nasi goreng and satay available at street stalls and warongs for just a few dollars. Accommodations range from budget hostels to charming guest houses, especially on popular islands like Bali and Java, making it easy to find a comfortable place to stay without overspending. Budget-friendly activities abound, from hiking the breathtaking trails of Mount Bromo to exploring the vibrant local markets filled with unique handicrafts and fresh produce. Bali's beautiful beaches and Java's cultural heritage provide endless opportunities for adventure and relaxation. With its diverse offerings and wallet-friendly options, Indonesia is the perfect destination for those looking to experience unforgettable beauty and culture while traveling on a budget. Greece is a dream destination for budget travelers, offering a wealth of affordable experiences across its stunning islands and ancient cities. From the iconic Acropolis in Athens to the enchanting islands of Santorini, Mykonos, and Crete, Greece is brimming with historical sites, breathtaking landscapes, and vibrant local culture, all accessible without straining your wallet. Getting around is convenient and affordable with options like ferries, local boats, and buses that connect you to both popular and hidden gems. Budget accommodations are easy to find, ranging from cozy hostels to family-run guest houses, offering comfortable stays that won't break the bank. Greek cuisine is another delight for budget travelers, with tavernas and street vendors serving delicious traditional dishes such as souvlaki, gyros, and moussaka at very reasonable prices. Greece is also home to an abundance of free or low-cost attractions, from ancient ruins to scenic coastal trails and pristine beaches. With its affordability, rich heritage, and natural beauty, Greece promises unforgettable adventures for any traveler. Morocco is an enchanting destination for budget-conscious adventurers, offering vibrant markets and stunning landscapes that are both affordable and captivating. The cost of local food is incredibly low, with delicious dishes like tagine and couscous available at street stalls and local eateries for just a few dollars. Cities like Marrakesh and Fez are must-visit spots where you can immerse yourself in the bustling souks filled with colorful textiles, spices, and handcrafted goods. Accommodations range from budget hostels to charming riads, providing unique stays without breaking the bank. Cultural experiences abound, from exploring ancient Medinas to participating in traditional Moroccan tea ceremonies, all at little to no cost. With its rich heritage and diverse offerings, Morocco invites travelers to discover its beauty and culture while keeping their budgets intact, making it a top choice for adventures. In this video, we explored 10 cheap destinations for budget travel, each offering unique experiences without breaking the bank. From the stunning landscapes of Vietnam and the vibrant culture of Mexico, to the rich history of Bulgaria and the breathtaking beauty of Indonesia, these destinations provide incredible value for every traveler. We highlighted affordable food, lodging, and activities, encouraging you to take advantage of low-cost transportation and local experiences. Whether you're wandering through the markets of Morocco or hiking in the hills of Greece, there's something for everyone. We hope this inspires you to explore these budget-friendly options for your next adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts for more exciting travel content. Happy travels, and see you in the next video.